Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to permanently change public IP address of instance in Oracle Cloud. You can change public IP address of your VPS anytime. There is not any limit. In the end of video, I will show you IP address ranges that can you assign to your VPS. So, let's start our video. First, go to your Oracle Cloud account. Next, click on three pieces of stripes on top left corner. Click on Compute and click on Instances. Now choose your VPS. Scroll down. Now you can see my public IP address. Scroll down. Click on Attached VNICs in Resources list. Click on Available VNIC in list. Scroll down. Click on IP4 addresses in Resources list. Click on three dots. Click on Edit. Choose No Public IP. Click on Update button. Now you can see public IP is not assigned. Click on three dots again. Click on Edit. Choose Ephemeral Public IP. Click on Update button. Now you can see new public IP address. If you want to change public IP address again, follow same process. You can do this again and again. There is not any limit. Now I will show you IP address ranges that you can assign to your VPS. You can find link of blog post in description of this video. Go to it. Click on link. It takes some time to load this page. Now you can see Oracle Cloud regions list with their IP address ranges. These values are not hard-coded. They are connected to Oracle Cloud database. So, these values are automatically updated every time you refresh this blog post. This is the reason for time delay of loading blog post. Now you can see region list according to descending order of counts of IP address ranges. Now I give a tip. You can create VPS in US, Ashburn and DU, Frankfurt regions without out-of-capacity error at time that I make this video. You can see that top two regions of this list are them. I think now you can understand reason for not showing out-of-capacity error.